Hey Sam, are you free this weekend?
Yeah, I think so. What's up?
I was thinking we could go for a hike.
Sounds great. Where do you want to go?
Maybe Pinewood Trails. It's not too far.
Perfect. Let's meet at 9 a.m. on Saturday.
Guess what, Sam?
What happened?
I got the internship I applied for.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
Thanks. I'm so excited to start.
We should celebrate. Dinner on me tonight.
Did you watch the new superhero movie?
Yeah, I saw it last night. It was epic.
Right. The fight scenes were awesome.
And the plot twist, I didn't see that coming at all.
Same here. Let's watch it again this weekend.
Hey, did you finish the math assignment?
Not yet. I'm stuck on question 5.
Oh, I can help you with that. It's tricky, but doable.
Thanks. You won.
No worries. Let's work on it together after lunch.
So, Sam, how's life treating you these days?
Not bad, honestly. Just the usual work, gym, and Netflix routine. You.
Pretty much the same. Work's been hectic, though. Deadlines everywhere.
I feel you. My boss just dumped a huge project on me yesterday. I barely have time to breathe.
Tell me about it. Sometimes I wonder if we're working to live or living to work.
Deep thought right there. But hey, let's not talk about work now. Any fun plans for the weekend?
I was thinking of binge watching that new series, Time Travelers. Heard of it?
Oh yeah, it's on my list too. Is it worth the hype?
I haven't started yet, but everyone's been raving about it. Maybe we can watch it together.
Sounds like a plan. We'll order pizza and make it a mini binge session.
Deal. What toppings, though? I'm team pepperoni all the way.
Pepperoni's fine, but we need extra cheese. Non-negotiable.
Agreed. Extra cheese it is.
By the way, did you hear about Mia's new job?
Oh yeah, she texted me. She's working at that design firm downtown, right?
Yes, she's been dreaming about it forever. I'm so happy for her.
Me too. We should celebrate soon. Maybe get the gang together for dinner.
Great idea. How about next Friday?
Works for me. I'll text everyone to check their schedules.
Cool. Speaking of texting, remember that road trip we talked about? Are we still doing it?
Cool. Speaking of texting, remember that road trip we talked about? Are we still doing it?
Oh, yes. I've been dying for a break. Where should we go?
Maybe the mountains. A cabin getaway would be nice this time of year.
Love it. Let's finalize the details this weekend during our binge session.
Perfect. This weekend is shaping up to be pretty awesome.
It really is. Oh, look at the time. I should probably head back to work.
Yeah, same here. Let's catch up on the weekend.
Definitely. See you Saturday, Sarah.
See you, Sam. Take care.